Hey guys, here we are outside of a 2023 Heritage Glen. We're going to do a brief overview of these campers. Now mind you, this is not the Elite Series, this is only the base series. But there are 7 floor plans ranging anywhere from 33 feet all the way up to 44, bunkhouses and regular like rear living, rear kitchen series. Lots of different upgrades, but here's the tan color is the standard. There's no other options. Auto leveling is an option. Beautiful campers, lots of different colors, or excuse me, lots of different floor plans and such. I'll take a walk inside of them real fast during the overview and show you different the color schemes that they now have on the 2023s, as well as different options inside. So here we are on the inside of a 2023 Heritage Glen. Like I said, a little bit different than the Elite Series. So you have the laminate countertops throughout instead of solid surface. You do have the nice upgraded mirror finish fireplace. The bigger ones you can get the 14 cubic foot refrigerator. They come standard with the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. Solar panels are now standard on them. Lots of different upgrades like auto leveling, I said, on the outside. New colors on the flooring. The nice blue, gray blue, I guess I'll call it, on the outline there. New colors on the cabinetry and everything. Just overall beautiful upgrades on the campers on the 2023s. Again, 7 floor plans. Different options. This specific one's a bunkhouse. Beautiful campers by Heritage Glen. Check them out. Check them out at RV Wholesalers. If you have any questions, give us a call.